some weird bird migration. I don't know what's going on here, but maybe it's cormorants. And there you can see the penguins back in the back. Little penguin here walking towards me. Jump, 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 jump. And another one. Zoom in on you. Very cute. Look at these birds.